Nothing gets me going like a good transition. Like this Blade Runner shot, give me a break. But a good transition doesn't need to be fancy or expensive. Try these at home. Little Women uses 3 very simple examples that help tell the story. Spoilers ahead. After Beth's funeral, Jo stands still, absorbed by her grief. While the others focus on the present, Jo reminisces. Watch her skin's colour subtly grow warmer and warmer until we're transported to another time. This is a match cut. It links both scenes by showing us the same subject at a different moment. Jo has escaped the funeral to this memory of Beth. The match cut is a great tool for spotlighting a character's thoughts, a bridge into a flashback. But what if we want to separate scenes?
I told you I'd make you pay, and I did!
What if we want to reveal cause and effect? This is a smash cut, and I love them. So dramatic. Amy has hurt Jo.
Amy, you've got it.
Here we have immediate response, and with no warning, the long-term effect. The emotion hits hard. The silence after the angry screams is deafening. The smash cut shows contrast. It reveals differences. How about similarities or comparison? After Amy's accident, she rests in bed. She'll be okay, but someone else might not. We dissolve to a similar shot of Beth, shortly after learning the threat of her condition. Again, it links both scenes, but this time compares. Amy is sick, but by slowly dissolving to this shot of Beth, we're being told she is too. Other choices, such as the color palette and blocking, suggest that perhaps her health is worse. Those are 3 simple but effective transitions that contribute to a story when applied correctly. Shout out to Greta Gerwig. Subscribe if you like these bite-sized filmmaking videos. Speaking of transitions, I'm slowly making mine over here from TikTok. If you're watching this, I'm glad to see you're on board. See you soon.